Greetings again from Ekudden, Flaten in Stockholm, and it's time for beach day number 101 on my Sweden beach adventures. And I'm here 2 days in a row because it's very convenient, it's very beautiful, and it has evening sun. Currently 5:30 p.m. and I'm here for a swim in the Lake Flaten. And actually, I already went in for a swim. Yes, I was already swimming for 15 minutes, and I was waiting actually for the sun to appear to start the walk. But I will jump again in the water for this walk and swim 15 more minutes, so to make it 30 minutes in total. And it's a nice Friday, 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and I measured 19 degrees Celsius in the beautiful Lake Flaten. The water is amazing, a bit refreshing also, but not too hot as well, which makes it perfect indeed. So yeah, what else? We continue with the beach adventures, and today is another beautiful day to enjoy. Flaten is definitely one of my favorite lakes to go for a swim, and on this 24th of July, Friday, it looks quite amazing, I must say. And this can be considered also a spontaneous nudist beach spot as well, for that is in the forest. So let's then jump in the water and swim around again. Let's see if I will be warm enough to continue swimming, or if it's just going to be a dip. But you see, we have a mix of sun and clouds, and wind also as well. I wanted to go to the sea, but when I saw that it's going to be very strong winds on the sea, it's even stronger indeed. So yes, then let's go for a swim here and jump in the Lake Flaten together. So ready, set, and go! I actually shaved for today, and now it feels strange on my beard. It itches a bit when I go in the water, and I actually also cut myself on the lower part of the nose also. I'm not sure how I managed to do that, but I still survived, and now I'm in for a swim in the Lake Flaten in this one of my new favorite beach spot actually. Indeed. See, it's blowing like crazy. And it seems that towards the end of next week it's gonna be another heat wave in Stockholm. It's forecasted with up to 28 degrees. But so far July has been a bit mixed, mostly weather like this, but I can't complain, it's still so nice indeed. So yeah, with that said, and this wonderful view of this Flaten nature, it's time to wrap up this beach adventure and say thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.